At the center of the ruling is a Colorado website development company, 303 Creative, that makes websites ranging from dog breeders to coffee houses, politics to churches. But when the owner wanted to foray into wedding websites, she did not want to build them for gay weddings because she said it was against her religious beliefs.
The High Court has long ruled that businesses cannot refuse service to people who are in a protected class. That would be race, religion, sex, and in many states like Colorado, it includes LGBTQ folks. Now, this court, or at least 6 of the conservative members, ruled that the web business in Colorado can refuse to serve people if their business is forced to express in speech something that would be against their beliefs. So that means a bowling alley, for instance, would still not be able to refuse service to a protected class. Or could they? First Amendment scholars argue that this ruling opens the door to a lot of interpretation. Let's say the people on lane 4 at the bowling alley want to write on their names publicly displayed scorecard Black Lives Matter, gay rights, and pro-lifers. Now, can the bowling alley kick them out?
NKU Chase College of Law's Ken Katkin says this ruling opens the door to more lawsuits that could end up at the Supreme Court's doorstep and potentially take away more protections.
If the Supreme Court is going to accept kind of expansive arguments about how speech figures into these things, then they're really putting a camel's nose inside a tent to keep eroding away anti-discrimination protections for LGBTQ people.
Isn't this ruling saying it's okay to refuse to serve a member of a protected class?
Seth Morgan is a conservative businessman who says he serves a lot of clients with whom he disagrees on social issues, but wants the choice who to serve.
And if it was an organization that was advocating for a restriction in freedom and our ability to express ourselves when we need to, when we feel like we want to, need to, then yeah, we probably wouldn't support that.
This is David Winter reporting.